Hey there, today we are checking out this beautiful Toll Brothers home in the Legacy at Seville gated community in Gilbert, Arizona.
And this one has been reduced $86,000. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan.
And I'm Lindsay Bingham.
And we specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Phoenix metro area. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. Our contact number is up here on the screen. So give us a call, shoot us a text, whatever's easier for you. But enough talking, let's start the
Let's start the tour. Right, we are out here in Seville in Gilbert, Arizona, looking at a beautiful Toll Brothers 2020 build as part of their gated subdivision here in the Legacy section. We're gonna start before we go inside and just take a look at the outside of this place. This is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths with a den, is 3,220 square feet on a lot that is 8,750. It's too early in the morning for me, clearly. Let's just take a look at the neighborhood here. And there's a car driving by me, so we might catch that. So the one thing I will say that is slight maybe downside of this one is you are looking at the water slides there. You don't have any neighbors directly across from you, which is nice, but you do have the water park there that is part of the country club. Josh is checking it out. I think he's ready to jump in.
Yeah, I mean, that would definitely be a deal breaker for me, though.
Yeah, that's...
I mean, at the same time, though, I guess it's at the front of the house, and I will be hanging out the back.
Hanging out in the back.
When we get back here and see, you'll probably agree with me.
Absolutely. The backyard is killer.
But still, it's kind of an eyesore, in my opinion.
Nice benefit here. You do get the overheight garage with the 5 panels there. So if you've got those lifted trucks or big SUVs, it can definitely accommodate. Got this nice entryway here as you walk in. They added these little sails here to help give you a break from the sun because you are facing south, and we know how toasty that can get here in the Arizona summers. Thank you, sir. As we come in, look at this nice little herringbone pattern that they did with the tile to kind of break up the foyer. Definitely a nice touch. We're gonna head immediately to our left. You have this little flex room, flex space here. This little niche would make a nice office or a separate TV room if you wanted. So you have this in addition to the 4 bedrooms. Directly across, we have our powder room. Not much to write home about. I might put like a nicer vanity there, nicer mirror, because it's looking a little plain there, but it is nice to have this powder room directly as you come in. Over on our right, you got this nice big laundry room here with tons of extra storage. Your front load on pedestal washers, even more storage over here. And you got this nice folding area. And I love how they have the hanging bar so you can hang things as they dry. And nice to have a window in here as well. And then on our right, I'm gonna pause here too. You've got this little nice niche here, so you could put little drop zone. You got a bench. You could build those little cool locker looking things so you can hang up your backpacks and your purses. We're gonna head out. We got the nice water filtration system here. This is a 3-car tandem garage. They got the nice racks, epoxied floor, lots of storage in this home. And they added the 220 charger, so if you got your electric vehicle, you are all set. And they've got a nice service door so you can go out to the side of the house. But love how, We got a little bit
Yeah,
of a
that's what I was
leak
pointing out.
there.
It's like there was, at one point, whether or not it's still active, you know, we don't know, but at one point it looks like there was a leak there.
A little bit of a leak there. And we have had some pretty brutal rain. For Arizona, it was some pretty heavy duty rain that we got in the last month here. So roofers have been busy, very busy. Coming back into the foyer, we're gonna make a right and we are going to go and see all of the spare bedrooms of the house. We got our lovely linen closet that goes deep on the side there. Love me some linen closets. Then on our left, we got this nice pink bedroom with, oh, look at that chandelier. That looks like one of those, like the pussy willow things. I feel like I want to blow and have those things go away. But good sized bedroom, could definitely accommodate a queen or a full size bed. And it goes directly into your Jack and Jill bath here with your double vanity. Got some nice pendants hanging. And what's cool too is they have the linen cabinet directly in here. So you got all tons of storage and then your separate toilet closet with the tub shower combo. So you get that added privacy, but really good space. Hello. And into bedroom number 2 with, oh, this one's got a fun pink little pom-pom there. So instead of ceiling fans, which I would prefer to have, you've got this nice decorative, definitely setting a mood in the bedroom. Guessing they had some kids here, some ladies. Going back into the hallway, love these windows, the natural light that it brings into the hall. And now we are at bedroom number 3, which, very cool thing about this one, it's definitely oversized. Got nice little bench seating there, but this one has its own ensuite bathroom here with a window, which is very cool. So if you wanted to have a guest room where they felt privacy, you definitely get that up in the front and get some added space. All right, we are headed back in and down. Going back into the foyer. You just locked us in. We're gonna hang a right. We got this nice little decorative stone wall here. And then we've got very cool beverage fridge. Nice tall extra cabinets there. So you could definitely create a nice little bar effect. Coffee bar going on here, headed into your dining room with the nice tray ceiling happening there. Very pretty chandelier. And then we can hang a left. You've got your nice walk-in pantry. Love all the shelves there. Tons of shelves, just great. And then look at this kitchen. Tons of cabinets. This is a chef's kitchen here with the Sub-Zero French door fridge, the nice Wolf cooktop. You've got your double oven, microwave, steam oven, and your really nice hood vent there. But love how they did the combination of the drawers and the doors down there. If you are hurting for space in this kitchen, that is a you problem for sure. And check out this island with all of these pendants. Let us know. This feels a little heavy to me. Like we've got a lot of light fixtures here, but if you are a light fixture person, I am sure you will appreciate all of the time and effort they put to put these nice big fixtures in here. And over here, we've got a really, you don't have a formal, no, you do have the formal dining room. So this is our eat-in nook space, but could really accommodate a nice big table for probably up to 6 to 8 people if you wanted. And you've got a great view of the pool, but we will see that in a second.
This would be a good spot for a round table.
Definitely. This is calling out for it is calling for a round, and I love me a round table. Love these extra windows. This house, even though we have the lights on, you certainly don't need it because you've got some really high, we've got 12-foot ceilings here in the great room area.
They put in some tile there.
Yeah, they did a nice little color pop there with the herringbone little seafoam green tile. Love that they've got multiple floor outlets here so you don't have your cords dragging. Now we're gonna head into the master bedroom. So this is bedroom number 4. Nice that it's a little private door entryway here. Again, with the tray ceiling, very nice. Very ample size bedroom here, can accommodate a king with nightstands. And I love what they did. If you notice, they have the switches there so that you could have your 2 lamps and you can individually turn on and off your lamps instead of having to fiddle with them.
Yeah, 'cause you have the pre-wires up top. So if you wanted to put down like a pendant, you could.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Let us know what you think. A lot of the bedrooms that we see, they just have an open door frame here so you can see directly in. This one here, they put a door to give some privacy, which I actually appreciate. I think that's a nice touch, especially if you're a person who likes to sleep in when your partner is getting up in the morning, making all sorts of noise. Here we've got our freestanding tub. You've got your dual vanities. Even though we need the dual vanities with these cabinets because we don't have a linen closet in here. So it's nice that they added those extra cabinets on the side because you do need those. And I love this little one down here. Look at that. They could have just left this as a blind, but they put this little cabinet. This would be perfect for your hair dryer, your straightener. Ladies, you know, we got lots of crap, lots of stuff. And I love this shower. I love instead of a niche, you have that really long shelf there. It's nice height, so it can hold those big Costco size, Ulta big salon size bottles there. Really, really nice. Love that it's got the tile that goes up to the top and you've got your nice bench there. Definitely a good size shower.
That's on.
And then in the closet, it should be turning on. There we go. Let there be light. Tons of storage here with
I like
that
how they went all the way to the
top with the extra shelf.
exactly.
Really cool. Is there something hiding behind there? What have we got there? Is that a little secret? Oh, little secret.
Laundry room. That's in the laundry room.
Oh,
that's on a motion,
cool.
so that's why it's dark now.
Awesome. So your makeshift laundry chute.
Yeah.
Love that they did that. What a nice touch. Let us know what you think. Is that cool? I thought we were going to have like a little safe or a little storage area, maybe for like a firearm or something, but that is really cool. I wonder if they did that or if the builder did that. What do you think? It almost seems too smart for a builder to do that.
Right.
A little bit.
It looks like maybe they did it because if you look real close, you can see where they maybe did some drywall.
Cut the drywall.
Yeah.
But that's a really cool idea. I would totally do that. That's a really cool idea. All right, we'll say bye to the closet, and they have the nice mirrored door here. Hello. All right, and they added this cute little fan. We turned it off because it was making me cold, but they have this little oscillating fan that goes around just to bring some more air into the bathroom.
I guess if your bath is too hot, you can just...
Yeah. Now let's check out why what we're here to see in Arizona. Got your nice covered patio, yes, but look at this pool.
And so now that you see back here and how like loud it is per se, that would drown out all the noise from the slide across the street. So it's not the end of the world. Let me know if you agree with me. Like I said, I'd be hanging out here anyway, so that's not gonna bother me. But
right, that front, no one here in Arizona really spends a lot of time in the front of their house. So the backyard is really what it's all about. They got little live grass, real grass over there, a little bit of it, and then you've got your travertine deck over here so you can fit some lounges. Little pop-ups. Love that they did the big Baja deck. They even have room to put an umbrella over there. Let's check out the side of the house. You got your pool equipment and your AC. You can see the back windows. So again, let us know what you think. This is again a 2020 Toll Brothers build here at Legacy at Seville in Gilbert.
And on the other side, you have a little bit wider side yard, and there is a gate on that side as well. So
Great.
you can see your backyard.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.